Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Hux World, and today we got OW back in the building, and yes, he's got a nice looking watch face in front of you people. You're thinking about dressing to impress and you're going out hitting the town, this one may be one that you want to consider. Now, the name of the watch face is called OW Military. Very nice looking watch face, and always on mode. It's just going to be dimmed down slightly. You'll still be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. The look looks nice. I like the look, right? You get digital time, you get analog, you get a nice second hand that's smoothly going around the bezel of the watch. You also get your heart rate information right here, step status information right there, and your battery info down at the bottom. You also get your date. Can't forget your date now. But the look of it does look military. Just look at the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch. Looks really nice and neat. You get the moon phase right there. Digital time layout, very legible, not bad. And if I tap right here, I can change the color of the watch face. So you get 4 different colors in all. They're not bad. I like them. And if I tap right here, I can go in and get my step status info if I so choose. And if I tap in this dial, I can simply just change the color again. Anywhere you tap on the watch face, you can change the color. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm gonna give OW 2 thumbs up for this one. I thought he did a really good job on this one. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this watch face review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.